Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Tudor Black Bay Chrono Carbon 25 reference M79377KN-0001. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a tiny bit of history. Now, Tudor is owned by Rolex, or it's Rolex's little brother. They do everything similar to Rolex, but not quite at the level of Rolex. If you want a Rolex quality, then you buy Rolex. But the good thing is they don't have it at the same price point as Rolex. As in, Rolex is much more expensive and Tudor is not as expensive, which is a good thing because Rolex is quite expensive and Rolex is very difficult to get. So it makes sense that there would be a sort of, I want to say cheaper, but that's maybe not the best word, maybe less expensive brand that has a lot of the same high qualities that Rolex has, but at a different price point and accessibility for most people. As well as, one of the cool things that Tudor does is they like to have fun with their stuff. Rolex typically does quite traditional looking watches that look fantastic, but they don't really go out cutting edge and try to make funky colors or do special editions and such. And so they leave that up to their little brother, Tudor, which is doing that on all the time. And this is a perfect example. All right. And so there you go. That's a little bit about about history of this. This watch falls under the Black Bay collection, and under the Black Bay collection they have many variations, one of which is the chronograph, and the chronograph is what you're looking at here. Normally they do the chronograph basically just in the steel, and they do it in black and white. They also do a two-tone, so it's, I don't want to say boring, but it's normal stuff. Now they do the variation that you see here. This is a special variation. They also do some special colors, by the way, with pink and whatever. But okay, what you're looking at here, this is really a special edition. In fact, it's so special that it was made for the 2025 season of the Visa Cash App Racing Bull Formula One team. I guess they have these colors too, which, as you see here, is white, blue, black. It's made to kind of not mimic, but look aesthetically kind of similar to that. And they only made 2,025 of these. Yes, that's right. And we are in 2025. So they made, and not a lot of them. So you can imagine how difficult it is to get these and how much they're going to sell above retail probably, because they're not an easy watch to get. So, and it's very cool. Now, let's start talking. So now you kind of have a little background of where this watch stands in the lineup. It's a Black Bay, which is already a very nice watch of theirs, but it's also special edition on top of that. So it just makes it all the much cooler. They do actually make even some special editions, some Black Bay in blue and stuff like that. And with some actually very cool strap editions. But yeah, I think this is probably the coolest one. In fact, I will say it is the coolest one. I really like it. Okay, let's talk about the case itself here, starting with the size. The size is 42 millimeter, okay? And it's all carbon fiber case, which, if you think about it, do they do any other watch that's in carbon fiber? I don't think so. That also means, by the way, that Rolex has the capacity to do watches in carbon fiber. They just choose not to. So who knows? Maybe we'll see them with a carbon fiber watch someday. And if Rolex did it, I mean, they blow it out the park. Tudor is doing it, and they're blowing it out of the park. So, yeah, it's a really cool way to display the case in carbon. Because one of the good things about carbon is that it's very lightweight, it's very strong, and it's quite scratch resistant. And they use it in cars, which is why this watch has some racing heritage attached to it. And so they mix the two and put this watch in carbon, and the result is what you see, just something aesthetically really cool. And typically you didn't see this carbon style stuff on a watch at this price point. You usually saw it for watches like, you know, Audemars Piguet, Richard Mille, these kind of super fancy brands. But now Tudor is bringing it to their watches, and this watch only retails for $7,500. So after tax, it's like probably low eights. It's going to sell for more than that on the secondary market. But yeah, it is pretty cool. Okay, that's the case, and the thickness here is 13 millimeter or 14 millimeters. It's a little bit thick, to be honest, but not terribly thick. 14 millimeters still, you know, it's within reason. And because it's also a chronograph, and it also has a date, so keep that in mind. The Daytona is a little bit thinner, but keep in mind the Daytona doesn't have a date. This one has both the chronograph and the date. Okay. All right, so let's move on here, and let's take a look at what else at the case. Actually, the entire case is made out of carbon, including the lugs, everything. All right, let's look at the bezel here. The bezel is a fixed carbon bezel as well. It's fixed, but that's normal for chronographs to be like that. And let's look at the dial here. Now, the dial is really, I think, quite special. You know, it's a race-inspired dial, as you see with this blue and white, and it really pops against this black, with a little hint of red, just at a few accents. And, it's just really cool. I really think it's great. Okay, so the dial, and you have the hour or the two sub counters here, the minute on the right, the minute on the left. I think that's actually running seconds on the left, sorry, and on the right is the minute counter. And when you start stop, the big hand is the second counter. Okay, so no hour counter here. But I don't know why you need an hour counter if this is for race car driving. You just need minutes. So, yeah. And I think the typical F1 car races, I want to say it's under an hour, something like that. Okay, well, this could count it, no problem. And this is what it's designed for. All right, so anyways, and you have a date, by the way, which is a kind of annoying thing about Daytona, which you don't. Here you do have it. Okay, let's look at the movement here. The movement is a manufacturer caliber MT5813. It is COSC certified, and it is mechanical. Not mechanical, automatic, sorry, which means you don't need to wind it or anything, which is pretty cool. And it has a power reserve of 70 hours. I want to say, yeah, pretty cool. In line with all their others, but yeah, definitely the coolest one so far. Now, the strap here is black, and it has blue accents. Actually, another really cool way to display they could have just done a straight black, but they did it with little blue accents. Definitely one of the coolest black bays out there. I actually would say it's the coolest black bay. All right, so that's it. Let's try this watch on. And by the way, I forgot to mention, the bracelet, actually, they say it has a tire pattern to it. And let's take a look at, yeah, it kind of does have this tire pattern look to it. So they really try to make this watch tied into racing, which they definitely did a great job on it. So look, let's try this watch on. I'm 6 foot tall, 200 pounds, and I have a 7.5 inch wrist. And as you see, this watch is a very nice size, 42 millimeter, big, bold, all in carbon, just really cool looking watch. And look, if you want to buy it, you probably can't get it at your authorized dealer unless you have a massive spend history. But you can get it at jazztime.com by clicking on the link in the description below. Yeah, we're selling a little bit above retail, but look, you can still get it, and it's limited. So if you'd like to buy it, I definitely think this is a cool watch, and you will look very cool wearing it, and it's going to have great resale, and it's going to hold great value. So look, check it out at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.